How to reverse a video in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut. It's quick, easy and perfect for adding that unique effect to your edits. So let's jump right into it. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Select the video you want to reverse from a gallery and tap Add. Now your video is in the timeline. Next, tap on a video in the timeline to bring up the editing tools. Scroll through the toolbar at the bottom and select the reverse option. CapCut will start processing a video, which might take a few seconds depending on its length. Once it's done, play the video to review the reverse effect. If needed, you can trim or adjust the video to fit your project perfectly. And that's it. Reversing a video in CapCut is that simple. It's a fantastic effect for transition, storytelling or just making your edits stand out. Try it out and get creative. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.